Hey everyone, so I made it into Costco. So the 27-gallon tote is $8, ends on the 29th. I suggest you grab them because these are pretty pricey in your Home Depot, and I do need some. $49.99 for a 4-piece, and we might have seen this one in a different location. You can also find this brand in TJ Maxx, but they sell like the tiny steak knives, and I want to say they might have been 15 over there. And 20 for the oven crisp. So you will get 2 for $24. They are 32 ounce. You can even fill your icy slushy in there. Take it to 7-Eleven. And the Pro Keeper, okay, a 4-pack, which is a 20. So you get the lid, dishwasher safe. The resin planter is back. It is hand painted finish. That's what it says. I'm not too sure. I kind of feel like a machine does it. It already has a drainage holes. Actually, it doesn't. It has a whole guide. But this one is back. They do bring this one out every year. Next to me, a 3-pack will be a 20. I want to say these might be new Squishmallows. Oh, that is so cute down here. Like the jam jelly. $22 because the other one, oh yeah, same one, burger and fries. Okay. So character tutu set, it might be this one right here. It looks like $20. Is this a tutu set? But it's the child, and we have princess in here. Oh yeah, here's the tutus like underneath. Okay. You know what's really weird I noticed about my Costco's? That when we hit winter and we're going kind of into spring, they bring out more long sleeve compared to like the beginning of November, I think. So it's kind of weird. We're going to see long sleeve for a long time here. $13, ends on the 4th of February. More cozy pajamas. These are fun prints. And $20. Okay. Oh, you get like, how many do you get in here? Kid headquarters. That's a cute like little hoodie. Then you're gonna get leggings. Oh yeah, and a t-shirt. Okay, that's cute. For little boys, infant or $15.50. You have a dinosaurs in here. You get a 4-pack. Onesies and bottoms. The truck, a little butterfly and giraffe for little girls, and a rainbow, of course. And $17.49. More joggers. Okay, you can't go wrong. I mean, hey, my daughter walks around the house in joggers all day. All day long. They have Champion joggers for $10.99, and of course you will get 2. So if you have like a petite teen, normally I just get like the extra large in the youth, and they fit her perfect. Kirkland men's crew neck for $23, and you will get 6. The air mesh is $18.49, and of course you will get 4. So the steam soup and dumplings, these are $10.50, ends on the 12th of February. Panko chicken nuggets, a 5-pound bag, is going to be $14, so $13.99. Foster Farms, you get 20 in here, so it's a 5-pound for $14.79. And the Just Bear, now this one is spicy. I haven't tried it yet. It is a 3-pound for $15. But if you remember in Sam's Club, they have the raw chicken strips. I think it's 5-pound for about the same price, so you'll get more over there. The chicken balls, that's what I call them. You get 4 pounds for $18. These are good. I think they're kind of better than Chick-fil-A in my opinion. And the 4-pound of just bare chicken breast, like cut up pieces already, these are going to be 10. And $18 for the bowls. So the beef chimichangas in here, you get 18 for $16.69. So if you want a more variety on the chimichangas or burritos, you definitely need to hit up the Costco Business Club. Now anybody could go in there with a regular membership. $17 here. Okay, this is kind of cool. We have the animal crackers. What? These are $8. I'm so tempted to buy it, and then I'm not. It's like dipped animal crackers, peanut butter, and chocolates, pretty much. Strawberry and yogurt pretzels are $7.99 for a 26-ounce. Now, if you have a Winco, you could get chocolate covered pretzels there. They have blueberry, strawberry, and $9.49 for the Pocky. Honestly, you guys, being here in this location, I don't think we're gonna find anything new. I was hoping like new sales because, you know, we're past Wednesday. $10 here for the mini pancake. But I believe I've been going to so many Costco's, and the only one that had like more variety was the one in Chandler. They had a lot more Asian like dessert food, which was pretty cool. What is over here? More candy. It looks like my Costco is starting to get in more candy. Normally you only find this in Sam's Club. This is going to be $10.99. The Unreal is $10.89. And over here we have shampoo and conditioner for $27. Ends on the 12th of February. So we have the hand soap collection. You will get English pear, sweet orange, coconut vanilla, and lavender. And these are $11.99. Aquaphor $12.49, ends on the 5th of February. Your limit is 5. The Hydro Boost, you know, still here for $20, ends on the 29th of January, and your limit is 5. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I didn't see anything too new in like the food department. The only thing new that I found was the Reese's animal crackers, which I'm kind of debating if I should buy it or not. I've been really bad. $15 here for macadamia clusters. Okay, and that is a 2-pound. Raisins, a 54-ounce, is $12.49. And then next to me we have almonds, which I do love chocolate almonds, for $12.99. And that is a 48-ounce. Almond toffee, 40-ounce, for $15.99. And your regular peanut M&Ms, they're $13.89, which is cheaper than Sam's Club. Sam's Club, I think, was like $15.48, around there, close to $16. Sam's Club did up their prices on the regular M&Ms too. And then the Kirkland Jelly Belly is $17. And $9.79 for the milk chocolate truffles. Honestly, you guys, in my opinion, I would skip out on this one, just because I know it looks like, ooh, fancy chocolate. It honestly tastes like those mints you get in the Olive Garden, the Andes, right? Or Shredders, yeah. They're very, very similar. I don't even taste the difference. And then we have organic dark chocolate figs. The truffle is going to be $11.99, a 20-ounce. So if you do like the brand, that's it. I would get it from Costco compared to Sam's. Sam's, they only do like maybe strawberry and banana. Like Costco, you get the whole variety and you get more. $15 here. You got the dark chocolate coconut almond. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.